time. My time is very valuable. Everybody talk about me, everybody watch me. And if you don't know watch me, poor wife, you know that. So I suck on yourself. So I don't know and chat. That not affect me. No. And it will never affect me, fam. Because me create a band around myself and know say watch ya. When uno talk, that not relevant to me at all. I'm go to Royal Connect them when you know say more time them drop me a one text, you know, and again in my DM and say big up yourself. Oh my God, you know, I too like the style with you and your wife, you know, make up on the thing and you understand me I say, yeah, me have some real Royal Connect in my thing right now, no joke. You say, you know, the thing come down, man. Dark a one part. I know.
What's up?
I'm not bad, my darling.
Why you make them a trouble over internet for?
You know them always a trouble, but I not pay them no mind. I just pay them one little mind a while ago and make them know say I want to no matter what. One man to the Queen Goody, and that a who? Me on the phone now. Me on the phone now. Do it! Back, that you no vex for? That you no vex for? Who vex? Who vex? Yo, you may say, man, if you don't want vex, you don't go and vex here.
All who want vex. I do business with them man, sir.
We have something in a palace phone. You hear in the royal palace phone. Just go and look out on the eye. Cause no phone not go blind. You hear? When that one you announce you not go dead. Blood clot England not good again.
Do we can you stop it?
Yo, England not good again. Stop.
Everything I do my husband turn. Everything my husband turn, man. It's what? Yes, it turn, man. A crime.
It look
like a crime for me love my husband and crazy over my husband. It's a crime.
Small royal.
Yeah, me Queenie, bad girl.
Small, Dewey.
Yeah, me have to be Yamed because I'm a liar and I'm a fucker box like you. Yeah, me be Yamed. Yeah, me be Yamed. Me feel good to be Yamed
so what
one
if the
man.
Queen is my Yamed? Eh?
Yeah.
Me are the Queen flower head. She can't need my head anytime she feel like. So what?
Blood clot flower
head. Mix it in a soup pot or mix it in a curry pot. Anyway you want to put it.
Ricky say for adding back, yeah. So what happened to that? We're mad for better or for worse. And no matter how rocky the road is, it's gonna get back smooth. You know, hear that? I like people business.
Western bad man, yo, we don't use those stuff again, fam.
Oi, give me a big up and go and check me car. Yo, like the way blood clot, you deal with that one.
Last night over it, cause I not only him sleep with it. So when I'm gone again next 10 or next 15 years, it's not fun husband, I'm my husband.
Queen husband, a bear. It's the Queen husband.
Thank you. It's my husband. Don't strong put on a pot for me. No go. I'm gonna get one man for this no dirty blood clot.
Def. How you for them there? I want one cigarette, you know. How you for me can get 2 cigarettes to buy? I go out this here now, trouble, you know, dog. What me doing?
I don't go to the wholesale and buy 3 pack, do it.
Thank you, my darling. I was thinking about that, but like how you say it, I'm going to do that.
And I like the problem and the disgrace. I want to cover my ball and this, do it, this, my back, and that one I like, see. Well, I don't get no more blood
clot. No more of that.
Psyche bashment, what going?
Psyche bashment. The whole bashment team down at town, you know. Blooping up on my life. Make the whole blood clot town come for some money out of the pocket.
When I come out of my dirty life, I'll leave me and start up my dirty life. No can start up my dirty life to me. I'm a stand up proud with my dirty life. Me now run left my dirty life. Move on a bad-minded blood clot. I leave me and my husband and go. I'm a stand
right now it did dirty. Right now it did dirty. You put it in a washing machine. It will get clean. It wash and clean, you know.
Yeah. Thank you, husband. When I wash in my machine. Stick look like I don't need your mama pussy tongue with one J's out, girl. I not even want to be rude.
You see why me not have to talk? Me not have to cuss none on the blood clot. As my wife said, me don't have her to do that.
Yeah, man, them for go, man. I'm telling you. Enough contact all. All on the one side say. My husband love me, and that make him married to me. I and him could have deal.
Them know you have a pretty pum pum, man.
Where the seal? Yeah.
Them they have not one.
Them not have the one, the fitty cut. The fitty cocky.
The fritty cracky cut, you know.
I nah give up on my husband. I do I'm busy with the world and the mama wants to. My husband, hey, where the divantage? You see my vows for me make? I see him name when him give me and my union. I nah make none of you make me turn my back. My mind for better or for worse or sickness or in health rich or poorer. Anywhere I go, I need my husband with me. Need him with me. You hear that? As him say, me made him my flower. So, what husband?
Well, comfortably in a royal baby.
Eh? Black car. Let me tell you who for black. Let me show you so they love people business too much. I don't like put petrol in a fire. Where her name? Hey girl, right again, make my husband black you.
No. No. Right again, if you think
do we give me and get more blood clot, more than we do we give me and I can't talk. My father
right
poor,
now,
I'm real.
Right now, you not have to talk to them crazy. I want some of them right now, give them some blood clot gently, you see. Fuck.
Any liquor my husband give me, I don't get more than that.
I told my wife, you hear? I told my wife, make she can't talk. No for no can't talk if me feel like no blood clot right now. Remember me telling you, because that shame. Amount of liquor me that go no bumbo clean. No that.
Hey girl, right again. Nothing about me and my husband. I save my husband a black.
Right again, girl, I save no no.
Girl, let me show you
right
who run
again
things when husband and wife turn against blood clot, uno. You know what is union?
No.
You know why I swear to husband and bumper pussy blood clot wife and grateful. I when love conquered all. Hey girl, type again and save my husband a black you.
Yeah man, no. Type again if you're bad girl. Make we see who you be.
No.
Say no. If you finger
you want to see union when girl turn blood clot double your head for husband?
Def.
Type again, girl.
Blood clot, that's some live hot. All of my connect them are running and now connection them say connect.
Yeah, my husband are telling her. Man, what's that? Not nice.
Yo, me just there telling me now. Listen me. Don't fuck with Dewey, because Queen will get mad. Queen love Dewey like how God love him own. Me just tell him a while now.
That's true. I love my husband.
Just yesterday. Come over and come get blood clot crazy. Don't get crazy.
I went do a road to me and I'm no manners, but still defend him. Because it's true I'm my husband.
That's
why that was part they don't understand the bow, you know. For sickness in health.
And they don't understand that I'm married to my word. So do we do the best thing when they're married to me? Do we have sense?
Yo.
Them not have the idiot sense, you know.
The queen and the king. I wanna do.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you.
Not nice. Not nice.
Yes, my queen. Talk to me.
Look at Coco, me get to Jamaica. Just tell my husband, say, listen to it. Me, nah, you are my bossy. You, nah, nobody do it. My husband love me. My husband don't yet, my girl. Don't put no yet in my husband. Stop it.
Love.
When I come out of people married life and stop take joke and take the piss. My husband love me. My husband don't make nobody influence you and tell you nothing against your wife.
Queenie.
Alright.
Queenie,
Yeah.
my brother, let me check him, you know. And some things them said to me, I not even want to say it to you. You see me? Because you know, so the dog love it like cook food.